Have you ever felt like you're speaking, but your partner isn't really hearing you? Or maybe you've been in those moments where you want to open up, but something inside holds you back? What if I told you that the difference between a thriving, intimate relationship and a struggling one comes down to one thing? Communicate. Welcome to Dovey Hearts, where we unlock the secrets of love, connection, and relationship psychology. Today, we're diving into something that can completely transform your relationship: the art of true communication in love and marriage. And I'm not just talking about talking. I'm talking about the kind of conversations that make your partner feel seen, heard, and deeply connected to you. Therefore, whether you're in a new relationship, married for years, or just want to strengthen your bond, stay with me. Because this might be one of the most important conversations of your life. Why do couples struggle to communicate? Before we talk about how to fix communication, we need to understand why so many couples struggle with communication in the first place. Here are the 3 biggest reasons why partners stop truly talking to each other. And trust me, once you see these, you'll never unsee them. 1. The fear of being vulnerable. Let's be real. Nobody likes feeling exposed. We're taught to be strong, to suck it up, and over time we start believing that vulnerability equals weakness. But in a relationship, vulnerability is the glue that holds love together. If you're not willing to let your guard down, you'll never experience the full depth of love. 2. Feeling unheard or misunderstood. Have you ever poured your heart out, only to feel like your partner wasn't really listening? Nothing shuts a person down faster than feeling like their words don't matter. When people feel unheard, they stop sharing. And when they stop sharing, that's when relationships start to drift apart. Social distancing becomes the norm. 3. Communication differences. We speak different languages. Men and women, we might as well be speaking different languages sometimes. One partner might need words of affirmation, while the other expresses love through actions. When we don't recognize these differences, it creates misunderstandings that could have been avoided. But don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to bridge the gap and speak a language your partner understands. The secret to deep, open communication in love. 1. The power of active listening, making your partner feel truly heard. Most people listen just to respond. But if you want to build true intimacy, you need to listen to understand. Here's how to do it. 1. Put away distractions. Phones down, eyes on your partner. 2. Use non-verbal cues. Nod, lean in, show engagement. 3. Validate their feelings. Say things like, "I hear you, that must have been really tough." This makes your partner feel safe, which is the foundation of deep connection. 2. Asking the right questions, unlocking their heart. Most couples fall into the trap of asking dead-end questions. Instead of "How was your day?" why not try, "What made you smile today?" What's been on your mind lately that you haven't shared with me? Instead of "Are you okay?" ask, 1. What's one thing weighing on your heart right now? The right questions open doors to conversations you never even knew were waiting to happen. 3. The vulnerability loop. Share first to receive. want your partner to open up to you. You have to go first. It's called the vulnerability loop. When one person shares something personal, it signals to the other, it's safe to do the same. Try this tonight. Open up about something, a dream, a fear, a childhood memory. Watch how it encourages your partner to do the same. How to keep communication strong for a lifetime. 1. Speak your partner's love language. We all express love differently. Some show it through words, others through actions, gifts, or time together. If your partner expresses love differently than you, it doesn't mean they love you less. It just means you need to learn their language. Find out what makes your partner feel loved and speak it fluently. 2. Creating safe spaces for deep conversations. Though life is busy, but deep conversations don't happen by accident. Create safe spaces in your relationship. Quiet moments where you check in with each other. It could be 1. A walk together. 2. Pillow talk before bed. 3. A no-phone dinner. What matters is consistency. When you make time for deep conversations, your relationship will never feel surface level again. You now hold the key to a deeper connection. Now you have the tools to create a love built on true understanding. Because communication in relationships isn't about talking more, it's about talking better. So try these techniques today. Ask deeper questions. Listen with intention. Speak your partner's language. And watch as your relationship transforms into something extraordinary. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What's one thing you wish your partner understood about you? I'll see you in the next one.
Stay connected.